When you jump started, was there a cover on top of that?
No, only this one is covered.
Very nice. It is started smoothly. We are now here in Market Town. The gym is just on the other side, but I am hungry, so I'm going to eat first. Actually, I'm going to have a good eat. I'm going to eat in a Thai restaurant. Oh, they are kind of interviewing. They are actually using a smartphone, yeah, for recording for the video. Oh, the guy from NRMA, the guy who changed the battery, is actually really nice. Yeah, like first he explained to me that the value of the battery is about 400. That's the NRMA battery. And then he asked me first if I want to just buy battery from super cheap, the cheap battery. I mean the cheaper option. And because I have no idea about the battery, yeah, I just let him use their battery, the NRMA battery. The Thai restaurant where I want to eat is actually closed, still closed. And yeah, most of the establishment, they're closed today because today is Anzac Day. And I just checked the Filipino restaurant, the Palace, yeah, 200 meters from here is also closed. I don't want to eat in McDonald's. I don't want to eat in KFC on the other side. I want something rice meal. Even the Woolworths also closed. Actually, yeah, I'm going to eat here. I did not read properly my order. Yeah, so I was expecting this to be like a shake, but this is just an iced coffee. It is my mistake. I now satisfied my hunger. I'll just take a little rest and we'll go to the gym. There is actually a rugby happening on that side. Maybe they are students. Yeah, and to go to the car wash because look at this. That's actually since 3 days ago. Yeah, at work I was parked under the tree. Yeah, I don't want to park anymore under the tree. Always a lot of poops.
This guy's here before, so you might be better off going behind him.
It's okay. I'm going to use my phone. No problem. Don't rush.
Yeah.
Finally, I am able to get here in the car wash. And yeah, actually it's noisy. Actually, the Google map or the GPS is wrong. Yeah, the GPS is wrong. Yeah, I've been going there around like 2 times, and then I realized, oh, there's no car wash over there. Yeah, and until I get here. Okay, just came from the gym. Already took a shower, feels good. Yeah, very smooth. Nice. And I'm also thinking of going to the barber shop. Yeah, to cut my hair. Yeah, there's no other option but just to cut it very short, like a skin head almost. I saw one on the Google map here in the area. I don't know how much. Usually $30-45. Oh, I remember. Yeah, there is one over there inside the shopping mall. And look at this creek. Yeah, normally it doesn't have water. And look at that. So basically the water is coming from that side, going there, and there is this barrier. So basically this one is filtering the water. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt over there, bottles and plastic and leaves, but here it's clean. Nice. The McDonald's that I ate earlier is not enough. Oh, they are not open. They are going to close. Yeah, the roll up is already almost halfway to close. And yeah, I'm going somewhere else. They are still busy over there with the sports something, rugby. Yeah, there's another barber shop here. Oh, actually, that barber shop is also closed. This one. I am now here in one of the Thai restaurant. The cashier said it's a little bit busy, so maybe I'm going to wait for a long time. But actually, there's just a 2 table at the moment. Yeah, but I'm sure there are many takeaways. I mean, for delivery. Yeah, so basically, I paid by 409. Yeah, as you can see there, 409. And you know the time now is 4:35. Yeah, I have been waiting for almost 30 minutes for fried rice. I can see there is just the cashier and the cook inside. Yeah, I'm very hungry already. Very hungry. It arrives finally after 30 minutes and it's a big portion. It's a lot, but yeah, I finish it. And you know, if I am the chef, yeah, I'm going to make the diners, you know, dine-in to be priority. Yeah, I'm not going to make the guests wait for 30 minutes. Yeah, maximum 15-20 minutes for a fried rice. Now I am going to the laundry shop. Yeah, but maybe I should go first to Big W. Oh, look at that, there is a Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, Suzuki Jimny is always beautiful. I need to buy a token for the washing machine and washer to work. Yo, good day guys. Oh, good afternoon actually. Yeah, it is already, what time? Yeah, it's already 3:23. How come the time is running really fast? I was just in the workplace. I get out, I finish, I sign out, sit in the car, check my phone, and then I drive here. You know, it's already 3:23. Time is running really fast. Yeah, I'm actually going to the grocery, going to buy something to eat for the week, for the coming 4-5 days. Yeah, yesterday I was just coming from Newcastle in my apartment, and yeah, I got a new battery, so I am driving really good. I don't need to worry about flat battery. And this morning I also canceled my booking for the change of battery because yeah, I already did change the battery with NRMA, not with Volkswagen. With Volkswagen booking, it will be until next week. I'm not willing to wait for that. The air is cold now. Wearing a sweater or jacket will be more comfortable than wearing a plain t-shirt. Oh, I don't know what I want, so I'm going to just get this one, the same like last 2 weeks ago. This $10, 6 pieces burger. Of course, I'm getting one of this rice, $3.35. Total is $18.30. And we are back here in the van, and I actually also bought this. It is a garbage bag. I also bought this one. This is vegetable chips, $2.50. Oh, maybe this car next to me is a Filipino. Maybe because yeah, I can see there is a rosary. In the Philippines, I always see vehicles, I always see cars with the rosary. I also just put some egg, 3 pieces of egg in the rice cooker, and I'm editing a video at the moment. Actually, there is another food here. This is still coming from the house of Brian, the gatherings last week. We are actually here, parked at the front of bus station. Yeah, okay, this is my meal. Then I'm going to put some of this seasoning from Stanley and Sarah Jane. guys. Yeah, I'm going to prepare my meal. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It is now already 4:09. Window at the front is actually open. Yeah, we are here in the Porsche. Actually, it's not good. Look at that. You see the air? There's a lot of mist. That is oil. I don't like it. This Ziploc is actually microwave safe. Yeah, according here. So I'm just going to put this in the microwave. Can't stop. And this is my meal. You know, I am fine with this. I don't need ketchup or tomato sauce. Yeah, I don't really like ketchup, tomato sauce, or any sauce. Yeah, I post the music because I want to say something. Yeah, this one maybe I'm going to eat again later tonight. So I'm going. Oh, someone is coming. Usually when the pork drops on the floor, fall off the floor. Yeah, a man or yeah, someone is coming. Also, there is 2 more burger. I'm also going to put it here together. Yeah, together. A lot of butter.